Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the Emergent AI tutorial. Emergent AI is a tool that helps people and teams work with data without needing technical skills. It gives you automatic charts, dashboard and insights so you don't have to manually crunch numbers. You can visit the app's Emergent website on your browser. Click on Sign in with Google and choose your Google account. Google will allow Emergent AI to access your information. After that, click Continue to allow access. In the prompt box, you can enter any prompt of your choice. Then enter the prompt and hit the send button. You will get the key clarification questions and answer them. Now, send them and it will start processing on your prompt. At the top, you will find the Buy Credits button. Here, you can choose different plans. Standard plan is available for $20 per month, offering essential AI features for individuals and small-scale users. Pro Plus plan costs $200 per month and is designed for professionals who need advanced tools and higher usage limits. Team plan is priced at $300 per month, providing collaborative features and enterprise-level support for teams and organizations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.